How to log in and play on multiple accounts on Brawl Stars. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can log in and play on multiple accounts on your Brawl Stars. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let's continue. So the first thing that you want to do is tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. And from here, you just want to head over to Supercell ID. So once you do that, your Supercell ID will show up right here. All you have to do now is tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. And then you just have to tap on Switch Account. Once you do that, you will have an option to log into your Supercell ID, or you can edit your ID from here as well. So once you do that, tap on continue, just enter the email that you've connected with your Supercell ID, and then it will ask for a verification code that has been sent to your email. Then you should easily be able to log into your other Supercell ID and switch in between. So that's how you easily log in and play on multiple accounts on your Brawl Stars. If you found this video helpful, hit below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next